Alright, for this video we are going to look at exporting all these different sector and hasty assignments that we've made, or if we wanted to send them to a GPS. There's a couple ways of doing it. You can either send each individual sector as you make it to one GPS, or if you have quickly made these and you want all different teams to have the different sector assignments, so if the people in Sector 4 need to aid the people down in Sector 2, or if the people down in Sector 2 want to know if they are too close to Sector 3, they quickly can look at their GPS and see the different sectors. Or vice versa, if you want to do it just, dog team 1 that is assigned to Sector 2 gets only Sector 2 on their GPS, you can do it that way. But the way you start the process is to go to export, and this is going to be the traditional way if I want to put the file first onto my computer or through the Explorer method into the actual GPS. That's one way, but I do prefer the speed of the GPS I/O connection, but that is for another video. So for this one, download GPX file, and I select all of the ones that I want, which my assignments are all nicely down in this folder right now, but I can also include markers or waypoints for incident command, last known position, and this one down here is the random one that I made up in an earlier video. So I am going to include all of the search assignments, and I'm going to include base, last known position, and I'm going to hit export. That would then make one GPX file that gets downloaded to the GPS that contains all of the different sectors and assignments that we just made. So I would put this one file onto my Garmin GPS if that's what you use, and then they would be on it. So you hit save, and you'd be set.